Hi guys, so welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a machine part. As you can see here the 2D dimensions, let's draw it in 3D dimensions using Creo parametric. So for that let's go for the new and enter the part name as machine part. And let's use the default template. And now at first we need to create an extruded part and then we can go for the remove material parts. At first I am going to extrude the front plane. Go for the sketch view, and here I am going to draw a rectangle, center rectangle, and I am going to enter dimensions as 20 here. Go for the dimensions, select this line and this center line and enter a value of 180. Now let's adjust the total length of this rectangle to 154. So now all the dimensions are entered. Let's go for the extrusion. I am going to extrude this for both the sides, the symmetric extrude, and I am going to extrude it to a value of 72 here and click on OK. So now next I am going to extrude this face. We'll go for the sketch view, and here I am going to draw a circle, the diameter of 56, and I am going to delete the unwanted segments here, and then I am going to adjust this value as 64. Then click on OK. Now I am going to flip this direction and go for the selected surface extrude. I am going to select this surface. As you can see here, extrusion part is completed. Let's give OK for this. Then I am going to extrude next as the front plane. Go for the front sketch, and here I am going to draw a circle with a diameter of 36 and with a distance of 82. Click on OK, and now I am going to extrude this on both the sides as a value of 36 and click on OK. As you can see here, this extrude 3 is entirely outside this model. That's no problem for us. So for that we are going to create a rib here. So go for the extrude and select the front plane again and go for the sketch view. So here I am going to project these circles. After that I am going to draw a line here from this to this tangent. So now let's draw a line here and make this circle and this line as a tangent, and select this line and this surface as a tangent. Now I am going to delete the unwanted segments. Delete all the unwanted segments. So now I am going to complete this sketch by drawing a line and project this and delete the unwanted segments. So now we can see here our part is successfully done. Let's extrude it. I am going to extrude this on the both the sides to a value of 10 and click on OK. So now I created a rib here. So I am going to create another rib for this surfaces. So go for the extrude and select the right plane here and go for the sketch view. So here I am going to make 3 references, one for this, one for this, and one for this. And I am going to make another reference for this line. Now let's go for the sketch. I am going to draw a line from this center point to somewhere else, and I am going to end this sketch. Repeat that from this center point to equal constraints and join it. And I am going to join these lines and complete our sketch. Now let's go for the dimensions. I am going to enter this height as a 28. Then I am going to click OK for this. Then I am going to extrude it on the both the sides extrude. So select as a symmetric extrude, and I am going to enter a value as 10 here. So as you can see, our part is successfully completed. So let's give OK for this. So then all our extrusion part is done. Let's go for the remove material parts. So let's go for the remove material part, click extrude and click this surface, click this surface and go for the sketch view. So here I am going to draw a circle. Before that I am going to create this circle as a reference circle, and I am going to draw a center point circle with the diameter of 36. So now before that I am going to delete the unwanted segments, and I am going to complete the sketch by drawing lines here. We need to draw a line from this end to this end and draw up to this reference and draw up to this circle end. As you can see here, our part is fully completed. Let's add this dimension to a value of 6. So now I am going to click OK, and now as you can see here, our extrusion direction is on this side. So flip this, and I am going to remove material up to the through wall surface and click on OK. So as you can see, our extrusion part is completed. So let's go for the another extrude. I am going to create a hole here on this surface. So go for the hole and select this, and plus control, select this axis. Now we are going to enter the diameter. I am going to enter the diameter as a value of 18 here, and I am going to click OK. So then our whole part is created. So I am going to create another hole in this surface. So go for the hole and select this surface, and I am going to drag this from this surface for one and for this line. So let's go for the dimensions. I am going to enter a value as 18 for this, and I am going to enter this as 18, and I am going to enter a diameter of 12. As you can see, our whole part is created. Then I am going to create the extrude as through wall extrude, and I am going to click OK. So now I am going to create this hole towards this side. So before that, you can see our hole is towards that side. So I am going to edit this hole. I am going to edit this towards 15 and click on OK. As you can see here, the hole is on center face. So I am going to mirror this hole. Go for mirror and select the front plane as a center plane and click on OK. So our whole part is created. So then we are going to extrude another part. So we need to create a rectangular extrude here. So go for the surface and go for the extrude and go for the sketch. So here at first I am going to draw a center line. Before that, create a reference for this line and draw a center line. The center line is used to see the center angle. So I am going to create a corner rectangle here from this edge. As you can see here, it is correctly coincident to the center line. I am going to enter this length as 20 and this height as 10. So I am going to extrude it, flip the direction and select the extrusion as through wall extrude and click on OK. So here the extrusion part is done successfully. All our extrusion part and remove material part are done. So then I am going to create a round feature here. Select this surface and select this surface. Our round is of 10 and this surface. So all our round features are done. So let's go OK for this. So now our part is successfully done. So now I am going to give some appearances to our material. So I am going to give red color, select the entire part and click OK. So now I am going to create another metallic color for the inner surfaces. So select inner surface and select every inner part and then click on OK. So our machine part is done successfully. As you can see here, So thanks for watching guys. So if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below, and don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button to get new videos. So I'm going to change this color towards red.